Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin to your Coinbase wallet safely and quickly. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Copy your Coinbase wallet address. Open Coinbase wallet, go to Receive, select Bitcoin, BTC, and copy your wallet address. Step 2. Log into Binance. Go to Binance, sign in, and navigate to wallet greater than fiat and spot to find your BTC balance. Step 3. Initiate a withdrawal. Click Withdraw, select Bitcoin BTC, paste your Coinbase wallet address, choose the BTC network, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Step 4. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review the details carefully, confirm the transaction, and complete any required security verification. Two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Step 5. Check transaction status. Go to Binance greater than transaction history to track your withdrawal. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your BTC will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Outrow, and that's it. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin to Coinbase wallet. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.